Today I'm checking out these porta packs here, these little drop-ins that you use for your black tank. We have had 3 RVs. We're on our 3rd RV, which is pretty new, and we have basically been using these since our 1st RV. So we found out these from some friends, and oh my goodness, it just goes from really bad smelling toilets to almost no odor at all. These kind of smell almost flowery kind of smelling. And you drop these in your tank. It helps dissolve the toilet paper. So that's one of the big things. When it says it cleans out the tanks and does all of that. So what we found on these, and it was with our 1st RV, and more importantly, even on our 2nd RV, was that if you use regular toilet paper, like septic safe toilet paper, it's fine to use in an RV. It really is. But you're going to start having problems with your sensors not reading right. You're going to have to do much more when it comes to flushing your tanks, things like that, because it just doesn't break down as fast as that RV toilet paper does. Now, if you add this in conjunction with that, or even with the septic safe toilet paper, this is supposed to help break that down. It's supposed to keep your black tanks cleaner. It helps keep your sensors cleaner. It just works wonders in your black tank. I definitely recommend these, not only for keeping your tank clean, but if you're going to put your RV in storage, like we weren't using the RV all the time, man, nothing smells worse than that black tank when you walk into that restroom when it came out of storage, especially if you haven't just flushed it. Even if you have flushed it, these just take that odor completely away. It's very easy to use these. You basically just open up the package like this. You take one of those out. You can wear gloves. I mean, honestly, I don't even wear gloves. I just reach in there, grab one of those packs. Then you open up your toilet like you're flushing it, drop one down into the hole in your toilet, and then close it. It's now in your black tank. I mean, read the directions. You're going to want some liquids in that black tank so that it can start working. But I mean, it's as simple as that. It's like throwing something in your toilet. Works great. We've never had any problems with these. I really like these. I definitely recommend them if you haven't used them before. Give them a try if you're having any kind of problems with your black tank. So that is what really got us on this, and using these regularly was because of the problems we used to have with our black tank, and it basically got rid of it. So from now on, this is what we'll be using. All right, well, anyways, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.